God. How about you? Hey guys, come help us put the groceries away.
Hold it, thing. What are you doing?
I got some nectarines.
Oh, good. Oh,
Some mangoes, pears. Oh my goodness, Hannah, do you want to show them what we got?
Sure.
What did we get her?
Oh my God.
Isn't it cute? We got it at a yard sale. Isn't it adorable?
Cute in a weird way.
You know, this lady told me, she goes, you know what? You guys look so cute, I'm just going to give it to you. So she gave it to us for free.
Yeah!
I don't really like this thing. It's kind of creepy.
It is creepy. Come here, what'd you do with it? What?
Big Bird.
No.
Did you put him like that?
You put him there.
I think you wanted to watch the movie
Stairs.
I thought you threw him up the stairs.
I did.
Hannah, did you put him there?
No.
Throwing this Big Bird in the trash.
That's weird.
Enough of you.